over the past few weeks, we've talked about how the dashboard, on occasion, you might like expand a certain area and then it would start jumping around because it was kind of reordering things. I've changed that. So now it only expands in the column that it is in. So you're all good. So if there's a certain layout that you guys want to have these widgets in, these dashboard widgets, whatever they are, you can now place them in where you want them. The way you do that is, and it doesn't matter whether they're expanded or not, but if you click on your mouse and hold, you'll see that it changes, and then you can just drag it where you want to place it. You'll see there's a little blue background change to insert it in between an area. So whenever you release your mouse, it'll move there. It will then stay in that column until you change it some other time. So if I expand something in a different column, it doesn't affect and doesn't change the order of stuff. So it's you're not getting that jumping around of items. So I hope that will help you guys if you guys do close things up from having to try to find it once it's opened up. That was kind of annoying. So, but you just long press and then move it to where you want it. And then once you move it there, you're good. You still have the ability to come up here and change some orders here, or choose to turn on or turn off widgets. There's lots of widgets that we've got in there, some that you may not be using. If you don't use it and you don't want to see it, just uncheck it, get it off your dashboard until it's time for you to start using that particular piece.
So in order to move it, you have to have all the items closed?
No, you can have it open or closed. If your screen's not allowing you to do it, do the refresh. You just may not have the newest one. But whenever you click and long press, you're holding your mouse down on it, then it kind of changes, and then you can move it. So give that a try. It is a long press where you're actually pressing down on your mouse and you're keeping it pressed while you're on that header. You got to be on the header part of it whenever you're on there. And then as you move it, then the blue part of it will show up. It does minimize while it's moving just so that you can see everything easier, but then it re-expands.